What's up, it's Warchief, and today we are going to do something a little different. We are going to do an unboxing video for this speaker I just bought. It is a Sony SRS XB21. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker, and let's just read the box and see what we're going to get ourselves into. So it is waterproof and dustproof. It has live sound mode. You can tap to express your sound and lighting. It is wireless party chain up to 100. That's crazy. And then it charges with most USB power sources. Long battery life, lighting for party, speakers add function for like left and right. You can set this one as left, I believe, and then if you get another one, you can set that one as the right. And then it has speakerphone. Of course it would have speakerphone. But anyways, this is the box. We're going to open this up and see what is inside right here. I don't know if you care about all the information. But anyways, let's get into this. Real nice, all in plastic. Let's get this out of the box. Comes with a manual right down there. It is pretty good size, actually. I wanted to get a Bluetooth speaker for a long time, and my girlfriend wanted one too, so I was like, yeah, today is probably the perfect time. And we went and listened to a bunch of them, so we just figured it out, and we were like, yeah, we like this one the most. And the color is really nice too. I like the blue, and it's like an accent of like green, kind of. It's really unique. But yeah, let's power this up and then we will see what it sounds like. Sounds really good. Final thing I wanted to test on the speaker is an app, like a machine app or a music app. So I'm going to go to my apps and we are going to try out iMachine 2. If you don't have that, that is a great app. I would definitely go pick that up. I think it's $2 to $3 and it is awesome on the App Store. I don't know if it's on Android, but it is on iPhones. And kind of cool. I really am digging this product, and this is just an unboxing video. This is no review or anything like that. And I just wanted to test a couple of things. And it does everything it said it was going to do. So yeah, if you are interested in this product, I cannot tell you yet. Maybe I'll make a review about it after I've had it for a couple weeks or so, and then I will get back to you. This is the Sony SRS XB21, and it is a nice little speaker. It was $100, by the way. And yeah, I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like it if you liked it. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. Tell me what you thought in the comments below. And we will see you guys next week. Have a great weekend. See ya. Peace.